Today, we will show you how to make a heavy denim kilt with straps by following a few easy steps. But before starting the crafting process, you must have primary instruments like fabric, a sewing machine, a ruler, accessories, pins, and others. Remember, the most crucial thing while making a kilt is having an accurate size of the wearer, so ensure getting accurate length and width. Take denim now, measure, and make an apron. The following crucial point is to make pleats. Mark, pin, and sew the pleats on the rear sides. Now stitch pleats to the kilt from the upper side. Once the apron and pleats are ready, it is time to cut the fabric for pocket flaps and attach them on both sides to store the essentials. Now take nylon straps, studs, and sew them on the apron. Finally, sew adjustment buttons and belt loops on the waistband to adjust the kilt properly.